Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in Shanghai, China. This is the Bund sightseeing platform. Came from the other side of the Garden Bridge and have many videos of the views from the waterfront area. Now we're up close. See a large pink tower in the back. A little bit cloudy, but you can still get a good view of it. Two globes up ahead and many other buildings. It's about 8 a.m. in mid-April 2026. Nice weather, about 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool breeze as well. Some of the ships, this is one cruise terminal. Some ferries. At night, the boats are lit up and you can get an exploration of the river. This is called the Bund, which is just another name for the waterfront area. Some people with some flying devices up ahead. Others filming, taking photos. You see one of these flying devices, looks like a bird up ahead. Those are permitted, drones are not. We could see that going on up ahead. Lots of buildings on the other side, some banks, office buildings, museums, and more. See a clock tower up ahead and cool architecture. You can see this building has some kind of sprouted opening at the top, not just a pyramid shape like the others or a square shape. Get another view across. We're getting closer to the boats and see another one of these flying devices. We're a little bit closer to that. I don't think it's a bird. It could be. That would be an interesting mistake or confusion. Nice area to walk, people walking, jogging, running, and places to sit. There's a red flower garden area, pink flowers, much more well manicured. They definitely take care of this place. Coming closer to the East Nanjing Road, and there's also a tunnel, a sightseeing tunnel down below, or just get the view from up above where we are right now. Staying at Hyatt on the Bund, and you can see that in the background. Have to cross the Garden Bridge to get there. Continuing through, there are some restaurants on the bottom, even a Starbucks. I saw a McDonald's earlier and other local, more Chinese-oriented places. Good exercise in the morning, not too far from the hotel. I have a taxi scheduled to get to the other cruise port, sailing with Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas for a 4-night cruise to South Korea. Looking forward to that. It's my first cruise out of China, and this is also my first trip to China. So I got to explore for 2 nights, staying with Hyatt, and getting ready for the cruise today. Another sign with information. Financial Plaza, Yuan Garden, and the platform continues. More people waiting around. You can hear some kind of video someone was playing. See one of the ships, not a cruise ship, approaching as well. Just looks like some cargo. See a mascot on here, no English, but it is showing some kind of life preserver. And maybe it's saying don't jump over. I see it, a lot of those signs, no climbing, no jumping, no swimming. There was even one that said no square dancing. That was something different. They don't want people arranging in a group and dancing and playing loud music, is my understanding. See the Swatch Art Piece Hotel, AIA, and what looks to be a bank on this side. Looks like a jewelry store as well. Can't read what it is, but the logo very much looks like it. And you can hear the clock tower bells just ahead. Final look at the waterfront area and see another boat is passing by. You can zoom in and get up close. You can see the Chinese flag at the front and the other side of the boat as well. Looks to be an older ship, a little bit worn, a little bit rusty, perhaps just transferring cargo. Doesn't look like a tourist vessel by any means. And another look of this larger pink tower. It's a cool view at night with it being dark and everything lit up. But for now, we just get the harbor area or the waterfront area. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Shanghai, China.